Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Microsoft Teams in 2025 step by step. Perfect for beginners or anyone switching to the new layout. Whether you are a student, teacher, remote worker, or part of a team, this is your complete guide to chat, meetings, file sharing, and more. Let's dive in. Microsoft Teams is an all-in-one collaboration platform that lets you chat with individuals or groups, host meetings and video calls, share and collaborate on files, integrate with apps like Word, Excel, Planner, and OneNote, and organize your work in channels. And in 2025, it's faster, cleaner, and more user-friendly than ever. After signing in to so now go to your Microsoft Store, then search for Teams, and it's free, and choose the application and click installed. Now in this start menu, search for Team and open it by double click in your with your mouse, then click continue, then log in. Now after signing in to Teams Microsoft Teams or the desktop or mobile app, you will see the updated left side with these core tabs: activity, chats, calendar, communities, meet, activity notification, and mentions, chat, private or group chats, Teams, your workspaces, calendar synced with Outlook, calls, direct audio video call, files, all shared files in one place, apps, browse and add integrations. The new layout is more responsive and customizable. You can even pin and reorder apps now. Let's start with chat. Click chat, then new chat or Control N for shortcut. Type your message. Hello. Use rich text formatting, emojis, GIFs, or attach files. Click the three-dot menu for options like polls or plus icon for polls, then news bites, etc. Emoji icon for using use emoji like that. Attach file by clicking this icon. Now enter your friend's name or phone, mobile, email address, then click send. Now click the Teams tab. If you click invite to Teams, then copy the link and send via email, WhatsApp, or Messenger. Click the Calendar tab. Schedule a meeting by selecting a date like that. Add a title, participants and location, description, etc. Use recurrence for repeating events. Meetings sync with Outlook automatically. During meetings, you can share your screen or specific windows. Use the new AI-powered speaker recognition, raise hand, react with emojis, or use chat, enable live transaction and recording. Bonus tip: try the new Together mode and AI recap for better collaboration. Now, click on Activity. You will see who is you mention, your reaction and other notification here. Meet section. Create a meeting link, then copy and create link, and you will join a video conference with this link. Quick recap: chat with your team and share files easily, schedule and join meetings with calendar sync, organize work with channels, collaborate on docs in real time, customize teams with apps and automation. That's your full beginner guide to Microsoft Teams. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment if you want a deeper dive into any Teams feature. Thanks for watching and see you in the next time.